Hi everybody, and today I would like to share with you a little bit of a picture tapping technique, and I kind of have based it on teeth and visiting the doctor, which could be quite difficult for some people. And you can see that this person drew what their teeth were before and after being seen in the dental clinic, and that the teeth got worse for them than actually getting better. See white teeth before they think and after. So here somebody else draw teeth for Tyrannosaurus Rex, an apparently healthy T-Rex had a monstrous mouthful of 20 centimeter long bone crunching teeth. And this is Stegosaurus, so somebody drew their teeth in, or oh, I see, this is a Stegosaurus dream. I wonder what, oh, okay, so he dreams about growing his teeth. But now let's return to the EFT tapping, and I've got the same transport and all the drivers of that transport we were tapping earlier on safer road tapping, and today we shall be tapping on our teeth and on hiccups. And here we go. So with the picture tapping technique, what you will do is that you will draw what it is like for you when you've got a toothache. So here are all the examples of people drawing, a picture of a toothache. And then what we shall do is that we shall just focus on that picture. So we will start tapping on our hands, on the side of the hand here this time. So if I bring in the tapping teddy, I don't know if he can be seen well enough, but I think he can. Yeah, that's quite a good position for him. So you will say on the side of the hand, even though I've got this picture, I love and accept myself anyway. Even though I've got this picture, I love and accept myself anyway. Even though I've got this picture of my teeth hurting, I love and accept myself anyway. And we could say that maybe after that the person has drawn another picture. So let's go back to that other picture, and we will continue tapping. Even on the side of the hand, even though I've got this picture of my teeth hurting, I love and accept myself anyway. Even though I've got this picture of my teeth hurting, I love and accept myself anyway. Even though I've got this picture of my teeth hurting and the intensity is about 7, I love and accept myself anyway. And ouch, 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 this is a lot of tears coming down. So even though I've got this picture, I love and accept myself anyway. Even though I've got this picture of my tooth that is hurting, poor old tooth, I love and accept myself anyway. Even though I've got this picture of my tooth hurting, and you can see he's got a stick, and I feel stuck a bit. I struggle to make decisions. I love and accept myself anyway. One thing I forgot to remind you is if you decide to tap along, I would like you to accept the responsibility for your own well-being. So let's continue tapping, because we have hinted on struggling to make decisions, which when we go to the emotional could be linked to your teeth issues. So we go on the side of the hand, down here. We shall start, oops, not quite, don't know if you can see him quite well or not. So there we are, there he is. So on that side of the hand, down here, we will start. So even though I've got, even though I fear making decisions on the side of the hand, yeah, I love and accept myself sincerely. Even though I struggle to make decisions, and I wonder whether this could be related to my teeth hurting, I love and accept myself anyway. And of course, please do rate the painful sensation, whether it's on 1, it's least bother me, and 10, it bothers me most. And we shall continue tapping. And if, make your own pictures and keep on drawing new picture, because this is how the kind of things will be evolving. This is for the person I took, I'm drawing it from, but you will have a different picture, how it feels for you, because drawing a picture is another way of expressing how you're feeling. So now I'm sensitive, so let's start at the top of our hand. Tapping that is trying to get inside. It's not quite easy, but I will tell you where you tap. So because as I say, it's a bit difficult having the tapping teddy with me trying to balance everything. So at the top of the head, my teeth hurt. In between of the eyes, I am sensitive. I really hurt. In side of the eye, I'm not sure if this is emotional, but seeing it from a new perspective. Underneath the eye, could it really be I struggle to make decisions? And underneath the nose, I have a lot of decisions to make. I'm not sure what to do. And the chin, am agonizing over it, cannot make up my mind. And on the chin, I need more clarity. I am more open and receptive to clarity. Now the collarbone. I'm not really sure. I'm sorry about sneezing. I'm not sure, and I'm so stuck in my teeth. Underneath the arm, I'm open now to letting it go. And now on the hands, what if my decisions led to mistakes? Then thumb, I'm still here. I can always change my mind. I can do that. And the next finger, I need some clarity. And middle finger, open and reactive to clarity. Letting go of this pain in my toes. And little finger, smallest finger, this toothache, this pain in my toes. Letting go of that. So that was how this could be an example of the picture tapping. And here we've got another picture, and this time, I don't know if the tapping teddy wants to come in there, view as well. This time, the tapping will be done on hiccup. So again, this person drew these hiccups, and that's what it looked like for them. So that could be the first picture, and that could be the next picture. So keep drawing picture every time after each round of tapping. So what happens with the hiccups? Hiccups happen when we have overstimulation of the vagus nerve, and when and then involuntary contraction of our diaphragm, and a lot of things can set it off, and it is doing because of the vagus nerve is sending it a message. So let's start to tap on the side of the hand. I wonder if it is possible that nerve got confused or just overstimulated. And again, I wonder if it is possible that the nerve got confused or just overstimulated. And let's go back to having the picture. So even though I've got this picture of hiccups, I love and accept myself anyway. Even though this picture of hiccups looks like there's a big potato on top of me, or and like I can't, it's just coming every second. I love and accept myself anyway. Even though this is my picture of the hiccups, I love and accept myself anyway. And then I can say what is happening, anything happening. And then you can draw another picture of the hiccups, and don't forget to give it the intensity. I wish there was something for sneezing, because I've been sneezing a lot. So sorry, I'm moving the camera a bit. So yeah. So as I said, after each round of tapping, or even just after the setup, draw another picture and trade it. And we shall be tapping on this picture. So even though I've got this picture, I love and accept myself anyway. Even though I've got this picture of my hiccups and I'm just looking at it, that helps you actually connect with it. The picture is helping you to connect with it. So this is just an example of somebody drawing, and you can do your own, and it might be similar or it might be completely different. Yeah, if you want to have a go. If you're not creative and you think you are not good at it, don't worry. But even if you're not good at it, you'll still be fine, because you will just be drawing what it feels like for you. So you don't need to draw anything, just a hiccup. So even though I wonder if it is possible that nerve got confused or just overstimulated, but despite all that, I love and accept myself anyway. And top of the head, I choose to calm my vagus nerve. And in between the eyes, I send messages to brain and ask it to let go of the hiccups. So that side of the eyes now. I choose to, I was overexcited. And underneath the nose, perhaps I was overexcited. On the chin, perhaps I ate something which triggered it off. So that's underneath the arms, and as we go on the little fingers, the end of all the fingers. So I just brought the tapping teddy in. That's his face, but we are now on the finger points. So he's just coming down here just to help us finish the tapping off. So yeah, not easy for him to get the tap. All right, there we go. So if you tap on thumb, so perhaps I got overexcited. Perhaps some food triggered it. I'm clearing these hiccups, and the intensity of that feeling has gone down, letting go of the remaining bit of the hiccups. Okay, so there we go. That's our pictures. Let's put them all down. It's quite incredible how much can be achieved with drawing, because when we are doing, the reason we are saying all the setups and talk them out aloud is because we can connect to whatever we want to tap on. And another good way of connecting is to draw the pictures ourselves of what it feels like for us. So here are just examples. I hope I can inspire you to do your own and tap on them, because you will be getting even greater results. So I will say goodbye to you now, and all the animals, all the drivers from the previous video say goodbye to you too. Take care. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to see you during my next video. Bye for now.